Hello everyone, let's discuss this question. The question is, which of the following is a relative measure of dispersion? And there are four options. Now let's understand the concept clearly. In statistics, dispersion means the spread of data. How much the values differ from each other. Now the measures of dispersion are two types, absolute and second one is relative. Now absolute measures are expressed in the same units as the data. Now relative measures are expressed as the ratios or the percentages, and they are unitary. Now let's examine each option carefully. Now the option number 2 is range. Range is the maximum value minus minimum value. Now this gives the spread in the actual units. So this is an absolute measure. Now come to option number 3, the mean absolute deviation about mean. This calculates the average of the absolute deviations from the mean. Again, it is expressed in the same units as the data. So this is also absolute measure. Now the option number 4, that is quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is what? Q3 minus Q1 by 2. So it is also expressed in the actual data units. So this is again an absolute measure. Now the option number 1, that is the coefficient of variation. The coefficient of variation is calculated as, we know that CV is equal to standard deviation by mean into 100, right? Now notice something very important here. We divide standard deviation by the mean, units cancel out, we multiply 100 to express it as a percentage, so it is a unit-free ratio. That means it is a relative measure of dispersion. It is especially useful when we compare the variability between the two different data sets with the different units or the different means. Therefore, the correct answer will be option number 1, that is the coefficient of variation. Now, remember this, in the measure is, if the measure is expressed as the ratio or the percentage, it is the relative measure, and if it is expressed in the actual units, it is an absolute measure. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.